Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. My name is Elisa, and today we are going to learn the sounds of the letters D, E, and F. D is a consonant. The sound of the letter D is D. D. Notice the tongue is behind the top teeth, D, and you make the sound D, D. D, dog, dog. D, dandelion, dandelion. D, doodle, doodle. The dog dug a ditch. The dog dug a ditch. Let's move on to the letter E. E is a vowel. And you remember in the previous lesson, I explained vowels have two main sounds, a long sound and a short sound. The long sound of the letter E is just like the name of the letter, E. E. E sounds like E. E. Meat, meat. E. See, I'm smiling. E. Eat, eat. E. Feet, feet. We meet each week. That's the long sound. The short sound of the letter E is eh. Eh. Your mouth comes open, eh, and you make a sound from the back of your throat, eh. Eh. Met, met. Set, set. Let, let. Eh. The elegant elephants entered. The elegant elephants entered. Eh. Let's move on to the letter F. F is a consonant. The sound of the letter F is made by putting your teeth on your lower lip and letting the air pass through. 5. 5. Family, family. Friend, friend. Fast, fast. F. Friends and family feasted on figs. Friends and family feasted on figs. That's it for today. We learned the sounds of the letters D, E, and F. Next time we will learn the sounds of the letters for G, H, and I. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.